Welcome back. Congratulations on reaching Module 14, Purpose and Wealth, Financial Stewardship, and Impact. In this module, we will explore financial stewardship, how to handle money wisely while pursuing your purpose. Even at your age, how you manage pocket money, gifts, or small earnings can teach habits that last a lifetime. Money is not the goal, but a tool to help you grow and impact others. Money is like a seed. If planted and nurtured correctly, it can grow into something valuable. Mismanaged, it dies and produces nothing. Financial stewardship is about planting, nurturing, and multiplying resources in alignment with your purpose. Key lessons. 1. Earning and responsibility. Even small earnings, like pocket money or gifts, are opportunities to practice responsibility. Example, if you receive $50, consider splitting it. $20 for saving, $20 for spending, $10 for giving. 2. Saving habits. Start early. Saving regularly, even small amounts, develops discipline. Example, save $1–2 each week to buy a desired book, course, or to contribute to a charity. 3. Generosity. Giving is part of stewardship. It trains your heart to value purpose over possessions. Example, donating part of your savings to school supplies for children in need. 4. Purpose-driven spending. Ask, does this purchase help me or others? Avoid wasting money on things that provide temporary happiness only. Example, instead of buying candy every day, save to attend a learning workshop or buy books that develop skills. 5. Planning and budgeting. Make a simple notebook or digital budget. Example, track all money received and spent each week. Review weekly. Did your spending align with your purpose and goals? Practical life. Example, host a small fundraiser at school and use part of the money for charity. Experience financial responsibility firsthand. Save coins in a jar for a month and invest them in something that helps others, like buying snacks for a local orphanage. Key truth, money is a tool to serve purpose and impact lives, but it's not the ultimate goal. Become rich so that you can help people. Reflection and journaling. 1. How do you currently manage your pocket money? 2. What is one change you can make this week to save, spend wisely, or give? 3. How can you use your money to help someone else this month? And that's how we conclude this module. Check the Marketplace store on the Skulearn.com website to get Skulearn merchandise and books for further studies. See you in the next module. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere.